Channel. Been a minute since I've done any sneaker content, but I've kind of been going on a sneaker buying spree. So there's gonna be a lot of shoe content coming up. We've got today, hyper slept on. Nobody likes the twos but me, apparently. The UNC Jordan 2 low. Man, I've always wanted these in the white and reds in the low top form. They came out a long time ago. Didn't get them back then. I've had the mellow PEs from when he was with the Nuggets, the old Denver Nuggets colors, the university blue and yellow. That's the only twos I've ever had. And man, I got these for the low. I forgot exactly how much I got them for. I bought a bunch of stuff from GOAT. I typically buy stuff from GOAT. I'll have GOAT linked down below. I don't remember if I got an affiliate link with them or not. If I do, great. If not, whatever. I buy from GOAT. But let's check these out. We'll do an on feet after. Stay tuned. Oh my. That is one clean retro silhouette. Look at the spine on the back. So anybody that didn't know, I'm a big North Carolina Tar Heel fan. My initial love for the brand, yes, it's his fault when I was a kid. The old school Wings logo. They come unlaced. Classic Jordan branding at the bottom. That is polyurethane too, because I heard, yeah, has the sizing in the bottom, because of course, you know, I've been watching Chris from Wear Testers Nightwing long time. So typically I see his videos long before I ever get the shoes usually. It's rare that I get something around the same time as him or before him. Does happen. I had the eggplants before he did. The foams that came out earlier this year. But yeah, this first pair of twos I get, sure enough, that is polyurethane instead of rubber. It's a clean look. It really is. Let's take a look around the shoe. So air unit encapsulated inside. I don't recall these being super comfortable. I haven't wore any of the retros. All right, then we actually have Nike Air on the insole, Dream Cell. Squishy. It's not polyurethane, but it'll have some step-in comfort. It's that Dream Cell stuff, you know, Dream Cell. Be all right. Should feel all right underfoot. Strobel right here. There's the air unit. I mean, not a whole lot to say because a lot of people sleep on these. I have the, I believe they're a women's release. The high top twos that are the cool grays that also have the university blue. I don't even think it's called university blue, but they look like a North Carolina colorway. I have those coming in too, so we'll be doing a video on those. So, I mean, not a whole lot to say. Polyurethane midsole. The leather here seems rather stiff the way the polyurethane coat is on it. I do like kind of that embossed, almost basketball lizard-like texture. The way the tumbling is. It's got a plasticky feel to the coating though. Very stiff shoe. The tongue's kind of soft though. I'd say the tongue's on the softer side of things. Collar feels nice and plush. Yeah, are they high quality? No. Thin cut of leather, but it is what it is. Let's lace these bad boys up and check them out on feet.